Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and I went to my local Goodwill, picked up some goodies, fixed them up a little bit, and I would like to show them to you now.
This was my first find at Goodwill, and I really like that the stripes go vertically, and I love the little fringe detail at the bottom. But then I realized someone made this out of a tablecloth. It is not sewed up at the sides, so you could see skin and everything if I wasn't wearing a tank top. The whole neck and the armholes are just covered with a white ribbon, which doesn't actually match the cream colored fringe. So I'm gonna have to fix this up a little bit, and I will show you how I do it. I got this completely lace top from my Goodwill, and it's completely see-through, so I'm wearing a tank top underneath it. It's looking a little old, a little peely, so it needs a little bit of updating, but I thought it's so long in the back, and it poofs out a little bit, so it kind of hides any hedges and everything. I thought this would be great to work with to try to make something really cute. As I was coming out of the dressing room at Goodwill, I saw these pants on the discard rack, and I just thought they were so cute. I mean, look at this crochet work right here on the leg. I thought that was just adorable. They're a little bit long, so I'm gonna have to hem them up. They were a smaller size than I would normally wear, and they're a little tight around the waist, but if I wear a long blouse, you can't tell. And they're actually not that tight. They kind of stretch, and I can move in them, and they're actually super, super comfy. So I think all I have to do is hem these up, and then these are gonna be ready to go.
I just love this baggy blouse that used to probably be a tablecloth. I sewed up the rest of the sides so that you couldn't see anything through the sides here. Just did that in my sewing machine, and I'm planning to find a tablecloth and copy this on my own sometime. So for the lace shirt, I decided to dye it, and I picked a nice bright pink color. I really thought it was going to be a softer pink when I started dyeing it, but the lace took the dye really, really well. And then I took just a plain old men's t-shirt and cut off the sleeves and cut off the neck and made it as an undershirt that would have wide enough sleeves that it would be appropriate for me to wear at my school. For the pants, all I had to do was hem them up just a little bit, and I am just so in love with these pants. They are just so much fun, and I got a lot of compliments when I wore them. I just styled them with a sweater, and again, I just think that they are just totally adorable, and I think that they are dog approved as well.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and until next time, have a great day crafting away.